Xiaomi has just introduced the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, a new tablet that has very good specifications, so it aims to compete in the high end. Its screen is 12.4 inches with resolution called 3K. In addition, it offers a refresh rate of 144 Hz and 900 nits of brightness. In addition, it has 8 speakers tuned by Dolby Audio, so we have a very good sound quality. It integrates a 50-megapixel camera and a second camera for depth capture, completely unnecessary on a tablet. And on the front, it comes with a 20-megapixel camera without the 2F scanner that it had on another Xiaomi model. The processor is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, a very good class processor, and comes with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to a terabyte of storage. Its battery is 10,000 milliamps with support for 120-watt charging, and obviously in software it will come with Hyper OS. It includes a USB-C port, so we keep dreaming of the time when they introduce a tablet with 2 USB-C ports. It also includes support for Wi-Fi 7 networks and Bluetooth 5.3. It was presented in green, blue and black colors, and its price in the most basic unit, which is 8 gigabytes of RAM with 256 gigabytes of storage, has been 3,299 yuan. On screen you see the reference price in other currencies, just to give you an idea. Although remember that prices here are not the same as over there.